video. In this video, we'll talk about the tools in Titan Web, where they are, how to access them, and what they do. So, to access them, once you go to your Salesforce project and you're in the canvas, click on the gear icon and you have Tools. Now, we'll give you a brief summary for each one, but understand we'll give you a separate video for each individual feature so you can watch and learn by clicking on the icon. So, to access it, first of all, gear icon, Tools. First one here is Debug Mode. So if you ever wanted to debug your entire Titan Web and you want to see if the values are going correctly into the hidden field or any other parameters, Debug Mode is for you. If you want to use your own custom JavaScript, you may do that also. You have to flick it on and then you can add your JavaScript here directly. If you want to add your custom styles, you can do that also. If you've got CSS that you want to add, a style sheet, you can do that here. If you want to enable custom head, and this is, if you've got some content like another CSS that you want to reference to, you can do that. It's great for this. Enable versions is an amazing feature, which means that, let's say you're setting up a project, you've made changes today, tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll be able to list all those changes here, and you can always revert back to a version of your choice. Amazing feature. I highly recommend you turn this one on. So yeah, that's how you enable versions. Custom parameters. This one will be massive because you can add parameters directly in here, and you will use those parameters all across different projects. So that's parameters, and if you want to use custom fonts, you can do that as well. You can add more into it, and then you can access those fonts directly. And the last but not least is the refresh metadata. This one is specifically important when you add a new field in Salesforce or a new pick list and you want to refresh that metadata so you can access it. For that, you will just go over to Tools, refresh metadata, and we'll give you a success message when the cache has been cleared. So just to recap, click on the gear icon, go over to Tools. These are your tools, and yeah, that's how you access them.